Factory Department Service Charter. Our vision is to be the best in sugarcane processing in the industry. Our mission is to efficiently mill sugarcane, improve efficiency in operations, and produce quality products. Our mandate is to mill cane and maximize sugar recovery, to ensure superior quality finished products, and to process and supply water for industrial and domestic use. Our range of services. Our first service is response to phone calls, landline, or any official line. Client obligation is a phone call, cost is free, and time is 15 seconds. The second service is response to inquiry by walk-in clients. Cost obligation is walk in and make an inquiry. The cost is free and the time is 1 minute. The third service is response to correspondence. Client obligation is a written correspondence or letter or an email. The cost is free and the time is up to 5 working days. The next service is response to public complaints and grievances. The client obligation is to make a complaint. The cost is free and the time is 1 working day. The next service is resolution of complaints. The client obligation is to make a verbal or written complaint. The cost is free and the time frame is 14 working days. The next service is processing of requests for information. The client obligation is to make a request for information. The cost is free and the time is 21 days. The next service is to mill cane. Client obligation is to deliver fresh, clean, and mature cane. The cost being free and the time frame is as programmed. The next service is packaging and branding of sugar. Client obligation is to formal request for production, include packaging and specifications. The cost is free and time frame is continuous. The next service is to maintain company buildings. The client obligation is to ensure company buildings are clean and not modified. The cost is free and the time is as requested. The next service is to implement all company projects to timeline completion. Client obligation is to involve project section from project conception. Cost is free, time is as requested. The next service is to industrialize and domesticate water supply. Client obligation is the availability of processing chemicals, proper water use, utilization, and the availability of effluent chemicals. The cost is free and the time is instant and continuous. The next service is factory performance reports. The client obligation is the availability of relevant data. The cost is free and the time is within the stipulated time frame. And the last service is public participation in policy making process. Client obligation is familiarization with issues and active participation. The cost is free and the time is within 1 day.